Want to talk privately with another Redditor? Here's how to start a one-on-one chat in just few seconds. First, open the Reddit app or go to website and type in reddit.com. Now, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, go to the user's profile you want to chat with. Tap the envelope icon or chat button in their profile. A chat window will open. Type your message and hit send. If the chat option does not appear, the user might have chat disabled in their settings. Do you use Reddit more for posting or chatting? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.